Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei MatePad 11.5 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening App Gallery on Huawei and Play Store on an Android. Following that, download free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, open it. Then, on Huawei, click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. On an Android though, select I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, and allow. Then select Not Now if you want to and don't miss any updates pop-up, and hit OK. Finally, tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. Now I need to rotate my Huawei real quick. And then click on Send at the bottom left corner of it. When you finished, hit Receive right next to Send on an Android. Also on an Android, tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Click on Close this window and go back to Huawei. Now you can finally use all of those categories available at the top and select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you are finished, hit Send next selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in the same order. Lastly, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!